Yeah. In this part 2, y'all know my dog just ran out. It's part 2 from part 1. Go see part 1. Y'all see what's happening. But yeah, the slime, what make believe slime is still on freezer. My dog, she's doing whatever. Bella, Bella, come here, come here, hop up, get up here. Now, y'all see she's trained. The one that's coming to bite, she's a biter. This girl, she's she's tough. Tell her you tough. Tell the camera you tough. Oh, I'll make a video about you if you tell the camera you tough. I'll make a video. Show the camera you tough, so I can show you, so I can make a video about you. Ow. I'm just playing. Don't show the camera you tough no more. Don't show them you tough no more. Don't show them. You acting too tough, Bella, because you know you're not that tough against me. Now, if you will stop biting me, I'm going to whoop you. Oh, she know better. See, y'all? She's trying to bite me. She's biting me. Stop it. Bite me. Ouch. I'm just playing. Don't bite me. Ow. She gonna attack my fingers just like that. Just like that. Just straight out the box. Straight out the box. Yeah, I'm back. So I'm gonna check the other side. Come on, Bella. Come on. I'm leaving. Bye-bye. She gonna be doing whatever. Hit. Whatever you hit, if I hit, like, at least 40 subscribers, I'll make a video about my dog. At least. But yeah, look, this line. Well, they made this one. Yo. I wish y'all could feel it. Try to feel it through the screen. Okay, there y'all go. This thing is frozen. This thing is frozen fast. Ouch. Yeah. Who's a good girl? Ah! You need to stop. You just bit my nail off. I'm bleeding, guys. I think so. Stop biting me. Stop it. Stop biting me. Stop it. I ain't playing with you. Stop it. Yes. Yeah, I'm bleeding. Stop it. Trayvon, I didn't give you a nut. Never mind. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Wait. No, I didn't. Look back. Her brother tried to steal my money. He tried to tell my mama that I'm a bad $5 kid for Fortnite. I said, nope, I'm not spending my money. It's just for $5. Well, yeah, I spend my money. I got hex of money. No, I don't. This is not a cursing channel. I got hex of money. Stop buying me, girl. Yeah, I think this one is done. Well, let's check right here. Y'all, let's y'all swim going. Y'all, I'm finna make part 3. See you on the next video, because my mom finna call me. Peace.